Hi, my name is Damilola Ofegbu. I'll be showing you how I made my special kale sauce. Welcome to my channel. You will need chicken, sausages, and also roughly blended tomatoes and scotch bonnet peppers, kale and bell peppers. Onions also be needed, and then pour in some oil. I used soya oil. Pour in your chicken. At this point, you can add in some black pepper, some coriander, add in some seasoning, some garlic powder, and incorporate well into the chicken. Ensure that everything is properly mixed, and then you cover and allow to simmer. When the chicken is properly cooked, you can take it out. Once you get the chicken out of the wok, then you can pour in your already chopped or sliced onions, depends on how you want it. I like to do my onions in the ring form. I enjoy eating onions, so you can add in some coriander again, add in some garlic powder and some herbs. Here I used basil. I added in a little seasoning too to the onion just to give it some flavor. Then add in the roughly blended tomato and scotch bonnet pepper. I had previously frozen mine so you can see, so I had to wait for it to defrost before continuing the cooking process. So you ensure that this is covered and properly cooked. I missed the video for the chicken. I don't know how, I couldn't find where I had it in, but then once the tomato is properly cooked, the potato sauce is properly cooked, then you can add in your chicken and the sausages to cook properly. Add in your bell peppers. Instead, we don't want the bell peppers to cook for too long, so once you add it in and you mix it in for just a few minutes, and then you add in your kale. Also, we don't want the kale to be overcooked because veggies are more nutritious when they are not overcooked. So you just basically stir it in and ensure that it's well incorporated into the sauce, and allow to simmer for some minutes, and your sauce is ready to be served. Just look at all that goodness, all that yummy goodness. You can see how green the veggies are looking. You can see how everything seems to be properly incorporated, and then I threw in some parsley for effect. You know, that extra flavor. I don't know what happened to my lighting at this point. The video doesn't look as bright as the previous ones, but that's fine. And then I added in some crushed pepper for the extra fire. You know, I like it really spicy. Don't blame me. You can blame that on my Nigerian taste buds. We like pepper. Some of us like it really spicy. We like pepper in our food. Not everyone do, but most Nigerians love pepper in their food. So the good thing about this sauce is that it's very versatile. You can have it with your pasta, you can have it with steamed rice, you can have it with your yam. You can just have it like that as a meal if you're on a weight loss plan or something like that. But I had it with steaming basmati rice, and it was absolutely yummy. I totally enjoyed eating this lunch. It was delicious. So I encourage you to try it out, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button, turn it on so that you get notifications when I make new videos, and don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. I'm new on YouTube. Please encourage me, and also follow us on our Instagram page at Dami Kitchen. We are also on Facebook at Dami Kitchen. And if you have any suggestions, anything you would like to share with me, feel free to send me an email and I will respond to them. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.